If your inbox is constantly overflowing and you wish Gmail could just forward certain emails automatically, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to forward specific emails to another address automatically, step by step, with no confusion. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account and make sure you're logged in. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down, choose See All Settings. Once you're inside the settings, find and click on the tab called Forwarding and POP/IMAP. This is where all your email forwarding options live. Next, click on Add a Forwarding Address. A small pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll enter the email address you want your specific messages to be forwarded to. Double check that email address. A single typo can send your messages to the wrong person. Once you've confirmed it's correct, click Next, then proceed in the pop-up that appears. Gmail will now send a confirmation email to the address you entered. Go to that inbox, open the message from Gmail, and either click the confirmation link or copy the verification code provided. Head back to your original Gmail tab and paste that code into the confirmation box. Once verified, your forwarding setup is authorized. But here's the key part. Right now, Gmail can forward all your emails, but we only want to forward specific ones. To do that, we'll create a filter. Still in Gmail settings, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Now click on Create a New Filter. Here, you can choose exactly which emails should be forwarded. For example, emails from a specific sender, with certain subjects, or containing particular keywords. Once you've set your criteria, click Create Filter, then check the box that says Forward it to. Select the forwarding address you added earlier and hit Create Filter again. That's it. Gmail will now automatically forward only those specific emails you defined. And there you have it. Your Gmail is now smart enough to handle your email flow for you. This small setup can save you tons of time if you manage multiple inboxes or projects. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a quick comment below telling me what other Gmail tips you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.